Hello and welcome back. Today is all about mocha pots. For those of you that are regular on this channel, you would have seen a lot of my coffee recipes using mocha pots. For those that are new to this channel, welcome and click that subscribe button now. I post videos on all things coffee and milk tea. Today is all about cleaning and maintaining your mocha pot. We are going to start from the beginning, the first time you got your mocha pot to the time that you use it on a daily basis. There are many different types of mocha pots. You have the branded ones, the original, which is BASIC from Italy. Then you have the no brand one. And then you have brand ones, but not exactly the original. So the price differences are from the expensive to the medium to a very, very cheap mocha pot. In some of my video tutorials, I have shown you the differences between a brand and a no brand mocha pot. Before we start talking about how to care and maintain your mocha pot, let us break down the parts. So here we have the bottom part, which is the boiler. This is where we put the hot water or water. And this is the filter basket. This is where you put your ground coffee. And then you have the pot. This is where the brewed coffee comes out of through the funnel in the middle of this pot. The other parts are the filter gasket, and you can take it off using a toothpick. So this is the rubber gasket and this is the filter. These are replaceable, okay? And they're not very expensive, so you can use your mocha pot for a long time if you maintain them properly. Let's start by unboxing my brand new mocha pots. I have a new 1-cup mocha pot, no brand, and a 1-cup BASIC mocha pot. Let's check all the parts. Boiler, filter basket, and the pot. Checked. If using your mocha pot for the first time, my suggestion is to brew hot water to pass through the whole process. This is to clean the boiler, the filter basket, and the funnel. Next, we are going to test our mocha pot by brewing our first pot. Fill the boiler with water up to the level just below the pressure valve. Fill the basket with ground coffee. Old grounds are fine. Tamp lightly. Place the filter basket in the boiler. Lock the pot on and place on a hot plate. Once the brewing process is complete, throw away this first brew. You can do this process up to 3 times and you should get good tasting coffee in your subsequent brews. Kind of like driving a brand new car for the first 1,000 kilometers before you can be sure it passes your test drive. With mocha pots, 2 to 3 times should do. Next, how to clean. After brewing, all the parts will be naturally hot. Use a cloth to dismantle the parts. For the filter basket, the only way to get it out of the boiler is to turn it upside down into your knockbox or a bin. Use a cloth to hold the funnel of the filter basket and gently knock the grounds out of the basket. Use a toothpick or anything similar to prise the gasket out. Rinse all the parts in water. There is no need to use a detergent as you really do not want to leave any scent of detergent on your mocha pot. They will clash with your perfectly aromatic coffee. Use a soft sponge to take out any grinds that may have been stuck in the filter holes. Also, any hardened coffee bits in the pot. Leave the parts to dry. Once dry, you may assemble the parts and get them ready for the next use. Out of curiosity, I am going to try and use a BLETI rubber gasket and filter onto my no-brand Moka pot and see if they are interchangeable. Well, it seems that they are. Monitor your rubber gasket and filter. If they start to look worn out, replace them and you will prolong the life of your Moka pots. Replacement parts are available for both brand and no-brand Moka pots. Using this care and maintain process, your Moka pots should give you delicious coffee each time you brew a pot. Happy Moka pot brewing! Well, I hope this video tutorial is helpful for you to know what to do when you first buy your Moka pot, how to clean and maintain your Moka pot. Do let me know if you have any questions. If you would like to see recipes on hot drinks and iced coffee drinks using the Moka pots, do check out this channel. I do have lots of video tutorials on using Moka pots for my coffee drinks. Otherwise, don't forget to get a copy of my book, The Basic Barista. Check out the description box below for details on how to order. In the meantime, click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.